Safety after your low approach right close.
Tomorrow. We are always told to look forward, plan for the future, shoot for the stars. What about today? What about now? Our parents always tell us to never stop dreaming. But how do we get anything done if we are always dreaming? Instead, we need to be doing. Push yourself. Push yourself beyond what you thought was feasible. You've got brilliance and talent. It's just yet to be discovered, yet to be seen. We are sailing a 3D printer to orbit, and we have a chance to print our designs in space. You know, tomorrow just began to look a little brighter.